Okay, so I just read something that blew my mind about GitHub Copilot. Did you know it learns from billions of lines of code?
Wait, seriously? That's wild. So it's like having a whole team of coders sharing their best practices all the time?
Exactly. And it gets even crazier. It's not just copying code, it's generating new solutions based on patterns it sees.
Oh, wow. So it's almost like it's learning to think like a programmer. That's both amazing and a little scary.
Right? I mean, can you imagine? It's like having a virtual pair programmer who never forgets.
But what about projects that are super unique? Does it find a way to adapt? Like, how does it know what to suggest?
Great question. It analyzes the context of your code, which is pretty impressive. It's like reading the room.
Reading the room, that's a perfect analogy. So it's figuring out not just what you're coding, but how you code.
Totally. And if you think about it, that means it can help reduce the boilerplate coding, which saves a ton of time.
Wait, so if it can save time, does that mean developers will actually have more time for creativity?
Yes, imagine having the routine parts handled while you focus on solving cool problems. That's a game changer.
That gives me chills, but it also raises the question, do we lose any skills relying on AI like this?
Totally. It's like, are we training ourselves to be dependent, or can it actually enhance our skills?
Oh, now I get it. It's more about using it as a tool to push our creative boundaries, rather than just relying on it.
Exactly. So it's like using a calculator. You still need to know the math behind it.
Right. So what happens when it suggests code that isn't quite right? Is there a risk of that?
Good point. Trusting it blindly could lead to some major glitches if you don't double-check.
So it's about balancing trust and skepticism. That's an interesting relationship to navigate.
Exactly. And here's where it gets interesting. GitHub Copilot is also designed to learn from user feedback.
No way. So if it gets something wrong, it can adjust and get better over time. That's fascinating.
Yep. It's a continuous learning loop, which means it could improve as programming conventions evolve.
That makes total sense. So it's not static. It's evolving along with its users. Wow.
Hold on. That changes everything. Think of it like it's growing up with the changing landscape of coding.
Exactly. And this puts a whole new spin on skills development in tech. It's not just about individuals anymore.
Right? It's about communities of practice, sharing their knowledge through AI, a collaborative growth.
That's so cool. So do you think we'll see an increase in diversity in coding styles because of this?
Oh, absolutely. Different coding communities might style their input, and that could influence the AI's growth.
Whoa, that's a huge implication. So it's not just about efficiency, but also creativity across cultures.
Exactly, and that could revolutionize how we approach collaborative projects globally.
It feels like we're on the brink of something major in tech. Do you think the industry is ready?
That's tough. There will definitely need to be some training around ethical use and understanding AI suggestions.
Right. Without good guidelines, the tech could lead to unwarranted trust or even issues with code quality.
But if handled well, it could make coding more accessible to newcomers, right? Like a tech mentorship.
Exactly. So it's like having a seasoned developer whisper in your ear while you're learning.
Oh, now I'm really excited about this. It could democratize programming in a way.
So, if we put all this together, technology isn't just automating, it's empowering people.
Yes, it encourages collaboration and can help bridge gaps in expertise. It's a thrilling prospect.
Wow, we've covered so much ground here. This really is a transformative time for tech, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's like a new chapter for developers everywhere, just waiting to be written.
And who knows what the future holds. It's definitely a conversation that needs to keep happening.
For sure, it's all about pushing the boundaries, questioning, and using technology responsibly.
Exactly. I can't wait to see where this takes us. This was such a fun discussion.
Agreed. And I'm left thinking, how will we keep evolving alongside these tools?
That's the million-dollar question. But at least we're on the right track by exploring these ideas.
Totally. Let's keep peeling back the layers of what's possible with technology. It's thrilling.
Absolutely. Until next time then, let's keep this conversation going.